A whole video dedicated to a single node. This has to be something special. And yes, it is. I've made this video solely about the circular node because this is a complex node that doesn't really fit in with any of the other subjects in this course. So without further ado, let's start circulating. The Circulate node takes a single channel event and distributes it over its multi-channel output one at a time. In layman's terms, it creates a collection by updating each index one at a time. Here I have a metronome triggering a random node that goes into the Circulate. When I hover over the collection produced by the Circulate node, we can see that the collection is being updated one index at a time. Now let's put that concept into action. Here I have expanded on the previous example. The random node now produces a float2 value. The changes in the collection are being smoothed twice. The first smoothing happens over a second and the second smoothing happens over 5 seconds. We can add the results together to move the dots around in the transform node. Combining two smooths creates a nice friction effect. What we can learn from this is that the circular node is really nice for animating things one point at a time. In this example, we use the circular node with triggers. The Circulate gets triggered from the transport beat. The Circulate sends them out, one at a time, to the attack release node, which is instanced. This allows us to animate the rotation of the stars one at a time. Fancy stuff. Here we have our final example. This patch is called Wire Ninjas and it can be found in the Wire Instancing course. The Circulate node is used in conjunction with a timeline node to move one star at a time across the screen. The Circulate also helps to randomize the height of each star. This is a pretty cool way to start spawning things onto your scene. As for your homework, I ask you to check out the Date a Circulate example in Wire's animation course. After that, try to make an animation sequence using Circulate.